Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to summarize a long YouTube video in under 60 seconds with a free AI. First of all, now you can see, this is a YouTube channel. You can see this video is around about 2 hours. How to summarize it? Click on this video. Stop it. Go below, click on share. And then copy the link. Just copy the link. Not at this link. Then open another tab, type Summarize Tech. And in the URL section, paste your link, then click on Submit. Now here, click on See More. Again See More. And last time See More. Scroll up too. And now you can see, this is a script of the first 1 hour. And this is a summary of the first 1 hour. Go below, this is a summary of the second hour. And this is a script of the second hour. Go below, then you will see, assembly of the last 20 minutes. And this is a script of the last 20 minutes. That's the way to summarize a long YouTube video with AI, free tool. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.